If you're planning to sell your business in Florida within the next year, what you do today will directly impact how much you walk away with. Most business owners wait too long to prepare, and that mistake can reduce valuation, slow down the process, and weaken negotiation leverage. I'm a professional advisor with 360 BIS brokers, and today I'll walk you through how to properly prepare your business 6 to 12 months before going to market. First, clean and organize your financials. Serious buyers want clarity and consistency. That means at least 2 to 3 years of clean profit and loss statements and tax returns that align with those financials. The more transparent your numbers, the more confidence buyers have, and confidence drives price. Second, reduce owner dependence. If the business cannot operate without you, buyers see risk. Start delegating responsibilities, build second-layer management if possible, and document key processes. Remember, buyers pay more for systems, not personalities. Third, strengthen the quality of your revenue. Recurring revenue and long-term relationships increase valuation. If one client represents 40% of your revenue, that concentration can lower your perceived value. Fourth, organize your legal and operational documentation. Review leases and confirm licenses are current. Resolve pending disputes and make sure equipment lists and contracts are updated. Disorganization slows deals and weakens leverage during due diligence. And finally, get a professional valuation before listing to understand your realistic value range. Identification of improvement areas helps you position your business strategically before entering the market. If you're considering selling in the next 12 months, preparation is your strongest leverage. The earlier you start, the more options you have. Don't wait until it's too late to build value. If you'd like a confidential consultation to evaluate your readiness, the link is below. Thank you for watching.